Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of lichens. And aim of today's practical is study of vertical section of Apothecium. Apothecium, it is a fruiting body of the Usnea. Apothecium of the genus Usnea. This is the aim of the practical. Let us see what we have to do during this practical. The requirement for the practical is we need classwork material of Usnea apothecium, slide, cover slip, blade, we need new blade, cotton glue, lactophenol, blotting paper, needles, brush, microscope. These are the requirements for practical. In procedure, what we have to do? We have to take a longitudinal section of the apothecium of Usnea, take several sections and select a very thin section and stain the selected stain in a drop of mixture of cotton glue and lactophenol, and mount this section in a drop of glycerin and observe under the microscope and write down all the details of the section. In observation, what we have to write? The apothecium of Usnea, it is a disc-like structure. It is the fertile region of several lichens. Several lichens produce apothecium, but this apothecium is the apothecium of Usnea plant. Usnea, it is a lichen. Usnea, it is a lichen. It produces fruiting body. That fruiting body is known as apothecium. The outermost layer of apothecium is made up of numerous interwoven hyphae. Hyphae, it is a fungal component. The algal zone is placed just below the upper hyphal layer. Algal zone is the main photosynthetic region of the apothecium. This we have to observe in the slide. The fungal hyphae below the algal layer are loosely arranged with numerous intercellular spaces. This region is termed as medulla. The cup-like structure is internally lined by cushion of fertile hyphae. That layer is known as hymenium. A series of club-shaped asci are produced from the hymenial layer of the apothecium. The ascus, it is a finger-like structure or it is a club-shaped structure that consists of 4 or 8 ascospores. There are many sterile free hyphae, free moving hyphae grown parallel to the asci, and the free moving hyphae are known as paraphyses. Paraphyses, these are the sterile hyphae. The paraphyses helps in the dissemination of asci from the apothecium. The asci burst open and release the ascospores. The ascospores are oval in shape, unicellular, single-celled, uninucleated. One nucleus is there. It is uninucleate structure, uninucleate haploid structure, and the ascospores germinate in presence of favorable environment. The hyphae produced by the germination of ascospores develop in a new lichen thallus in presence of a proper algal element. These are the details of vertical section of apothecium that we have to observe under the microscope. Next, this is the photograph of vertical section of apothecium of the genus Usnea.